Hello everyone, I am Runuka and welcome back to my YouTube channel Flying Art Academy. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So let's get started. So today's I am going to show you guys a handsome, dashing and smart boy Murat. But for your kind information, his real name is Danish Burak and he is Turkish actor and model. He is best known for the lead role as Murat Salmash in television series Pyar Labzon Mein Kaha. So guys, that's all for today's video and thanks for watching my video. If you guys like my drawing, don't forget to like and share and do subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment below. So thanks all for today's. Bye bye.